children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Today's topic is about some unusual plants from the lesson Food for Plants of class 4. We previously already discussed about the preparation of food by the plant itself. I said you about how the leaf is going to prepare the food and all the other parts, how the plant is going to prepare the food, and also what is the process of photosynthesis. But all plants have the same procedure, but some of the unusual plants have different set of features. What are those features? What is meant by unusual plants are those which are different from the other plants. Clear, children? Yeah, children, this is a cotton plant. These are some unusual plants like which have different colors. See, children, these are not green in color. They contain large amounts of different color pigments here. What are those are colors like red, purple, brown, etc. This cotton plant is going to have different colors. This makes the food like other plants only, but there is no change in the preparation of a food, but it is not green in color. Clear, children? Let me move on to, we see the picture here, mushrooms. These are the plants that neither have leaves. These are the plants which do not have leaves nor chlorophyll. Then how these mushroom and molds plants are going to grow then? Say, children. They cannot make their own food. These are the plants which are not able to make their own food. Then how these plants are going to make their food? By using dead and decaying plants and animals. These are the plants which are going to feed on dead and decaying plants so that they can grow easily. Clear, children? Yeah, children, here you are going to see the plant called cactus. Cactus you are going to see, and this is a plant which does not have any leaves first. These plants make food in their fleshy green stems itself. Means as we already know, all the plants takes place the food preparations by leaves, but this cactus plant is going to have the food preparation through the stem itself. By using the stem, the cactus plant is going to have the preparation of a food. Let me move on to the what is these plants. These are insectivorous plants. Yeah, children, we know that plants are going to give you fruits, vegetables and all. Animals eat plants. We human beings eat plants. Do you know that, interestingly, plants also eat some animals? You know? Those are known as insectivorous plants. Means the plants which eat insects are called as insectivorous plants. These are the plants which eat insects. Is called as insectivorous plants. Yeah, children, and they are plants like pitcher plant and Venus flytrap feed on insects. What are the two plants like pitcher plant and insectivorous plants are mainly feed on insects itself. Clear, children? Now let me move on to interdependency. What is meant by word interdependency? Means which are interdependent on one another. Plants and animals depend on each other. Yeah, definitely for our survival we are going to depend on plants and animals also. How? Yeah, plants we eat vegetables and fruits. Where we get from? Plants. Animals eat plants. Clear, children? That means without a plant, does an animal or a human being can be survive? No, definitely no. We are dependent on each other for our survival. Plants, food and oxygen to the animals. Yeah, plants gives us food and also gives us oxygen. but animals breathe out carbon dioxide, which is used by the plants to make the food. That means what? Plants are going to give us oxygen, and animals are going to take carbon dioxide from the plants. But without an animal we cannot live, without a plant we cannot eat. Without this both plant and animal, does only a human being can live? Definitely no. That means we are interdependent on each other. This is how interdependency is mainly consists of balance of nature. That means we are balancing the nature. Without planting a tree, without a tree, the whole universe cannot able to survive. Clear, children? That means you make a practice of planting a tree and you use the products of the trees. Make sure that so that future generations and your generations also consists of the balance of nature. Clear? I hope that all of you understood the topic of some unusual plants and also insectivorous plants and interdependency, and rest of this lesson is going to continue in the next module. Only revision mapping is only left off. Hope that everyone understood the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.